guys, I wanted to talk to you about relaxing and how it helps fight depression. One of my favorite ways to relax is to walk, and especially if I can combine some nature with that. When you're depressed, doing anything seems insurmountable, but there's so many ways to relax, and some of them release endorphins, which are kind of like opiates for the brain. So I'll just mention a few today. Let's see. Bathing. The easiest go-to is breathing deeply, just checking your breathing. Make sure you're breathing from your abdomen. That's a go-to at any time. Drawing, getting a massage, listening to music, and then everybody's against multitasking, but sometimes it's my favorite thing. Meditation helps like pretty much everything, and there are many ways to meditate, but so relax, stretching, listening to music, and meditating. I kind of combine all of them and do them all together. And if I could do that every day, that would be great. I don't, but when I do it, it helps a lot. And what else? I left out a huge one. Laughing. I don't know. I think sometimes that's my best weapon against depression, is to spew it or just see the humor in something and laugh. And I can read these things, I can't explain them, but there is a biochemical reaction, and laughter really helps you relax. Thank you.